Good morning, guys. Today, we're asking the big question, right? Is this the worst road in the whole of Laos? Oh my God. Oh, I'm completely blind. You just came off in a pothole.
Yeah.
Jam, bro. We're gonna be driving 6 hours on Highway 13 from Luang Prabang back to Vang Vieng because it's Christmas Eve and tomorrow is Christmas and we want to be there in Vang Vieng because we want to spend time with our friends and there's a nice family we want to hang out with and chill there. But yeah, seriously, today we're driving down what is probably the worst road in the country that I've definitely driven so far. It is marked on the map as a highway. It is marked on the map as a national road. And as you will see today, there is no road. So yeah, let's pack the bikes up. Let's get the last of our free breakfast here in Luang Prabang and let's hit the road. Because it's about 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, and it is going to be one hell of a drive. Ready to hit the road?
I'm so ready.
The bike has not been this packed in a really long time. Let's do it. Not even like 30 meters into the road, we're already sitting behind bloody trucks. Time for jerseys because it is freezing. We're like 5 k's out of town and Luang Prabang is at 300 meters above sea level and we're about to climb to 1,800 meters very quickly, so it's time to put some layers on. It's so steep. So we're like, well, I don't know, probably like 30 or 40 k's out of town. I'm driving up this hill and it's getting cold, of course. It's getting steep, there's lots of potholes. Hasn't been that bad. I know it's going to get worse later. But I hear this rattling on the bike. I'm like, what the hell is this? The exhaust. Yeah. Cold drinks and then hit the road again. So we've just been driving along and our buddy Ben has pulled up on his scooter, also driving the worst road. And Ben, show him how bad this road is.
Got a few scrapes.
You just came off in a pothole.
Yeah.
Jam, bro.
Got new ripped jeans.
Oh man. So only like 20 k's or 30 k's down the road, there's already been one crash. Thank God it wasn't too bad. And but now we've got a third person to join the party, join the ride to Vang Vieng. That's crazy. I knew it was a bad road, but I didn't think it was going to be anybody coming off. This guy's just got a truck full of gravel. We're in bloody second gear now. Oh my God. Like literally. Oh shit, that guy's having a bad day. Oh my God. So we've made it to the top of the mountain. It is freezing, we are inside the cloud, but I have come up with a really good solution. I have bought 5,000 kip, 25 pence worth of hot, sticky rice, and I'm gonna shove it down my top and tuck my shirt into my pants, and I'm warm. I got a hot water bottle or a hot bag of sticky rice, and honestly, that is the best idea I've come up with in a really long time. But check where we are now. You cannot even see, we are in the clouds. We have climbed over 1,000 meters in the past hour and a half, and the temperature has changed drastically. And it is, the road is only about to get worse. There's the road, the concrete does not exist. So from here on out, it's gonna be bumpy, it's gonna be rough, and it's gonna be fun. But the good news is, it's only going to get warmer because we're going down the hill. Yeah, that's pretty groovy. Obviously, I don't know if you saw on the way up, but we drove past a truck that had come around a corner and had rolled onto its side, destroyed the truck, thrown its trash everywhere, or thrown its cargo everywhere. And there was a recovery truck there that had pulled it up straight, and the guys were all packing all the stuff up. But the guy looked in good spirits. We came around the corner, he gave us a big thumbs up, and it was all right. But yeah, we're gonna head down the mountain now, and hopefully back to the warm. It's about 1:30. We've probably got a few hours left on the road, and then we'll be back in Vang Vieng. So the exhaust problem has gone a little bit further. The end of it is now just missing, and it sounds like a gun going off every time it pops. But it's so good. It's gonna keep working, and we're about to head down probably the most dodgy road in the country. It's already been dodgy, but that was the good part. So, I can hear trucks going crazy. Let's get to it. Oh, fuck me. Okay, here we go, here we go. What do you mean, beat? Where do you want me to go? Oh, I'm completely blind! Oh, I'm completely blind! Oh. Oh, Ben's gone. Dropped his bike. Oh, there's concrete road. Not for very long, but there's concrete. Oh! We both got air. Oh, have they stopped again? I think someone's broken or something. Far out, man! Oh! Jeez, that hurt. Oh, that's a big drop over a cliff there. Oh my god. And I'm pretty blind again. This is an absolute chaos, mate. We're taking right now. You're crazy, son. I know, where are you going, bro? Survive, survive, baby! Okay, ready? We've still got 100 kilometers to go. So funny. I think so. How's it going? So Ben's bike is not starting at all, right? And we're going to try and flag down a truck, get him in the back of the truck, because all of these mechanics say you have to go all the way to Cassie to get it fixed, which is 20 kilometers away, and we can't keep pushing it. So we're going to try and get it in the back of a truck, and then we can get it to Cassie. We've got an hour and a half till it gets dark, and the light on my bike is rubbish, so we need to figure something out. This guy's pulled over, and we're going to try and get the scooter in the back of the car. It's pretty full, but we're going to try.
Come on, team. Oof. Mission accomplished. Oh. Nyam la lai.
That's how you get a scooter in the back of a car. So now Ben's got a lift and we're all going to drive and hopefully plain sailing from here. So we're 37 k's from where we need to be. It's almost dark and we're exhausted. Ben ended up getting a lift all the way to Vang Vieng, so he's already there now. He went in the back of that guy's car. But we've just stopped here because look at this spot. I think that's a pretty good spot to chill and watch the sunset. It's amazing. Unfortunately, we don't have time to chill and watch the sunset because it's about to be dark. It's Christmas Eve and we have to make it back to town. Everyone's waiting for us there. Lucy's mum's chilling there and waiting for us. Sky's already there. But we should be there within the next hour. We might just show up in the dark and my camera might die, we'll see. But yeah, we're gonna hit the road again. Hopefully we get there. Oh my God! Just arrived back in Vang Vieng. Been on the road for 7 hours and 44 minutes. We did 180 kilometers. That is an average speed of 23 kilometers an hour. That was intense. And I think I can confirm that that was the worst road we have driven in Laos so far. Absolutely nuts. All right guys, I'm gonna end that there. I'll catch you next time. Merry Christmas. Tomorrow morning's Christmas. Should be a good one. We've got water back in the pool. We've got a good view. Have a good one.